officer in charge office of the school division, Superintendent Sir Adonis A. Mosquera, SESI, represented by Dr. Aria F. Losanta, our Public School District Supervisor, Cluster 6, our school head, Mama Maricel A. Arteliero, teachers, proud parents, guests, and my fellow completers. A pleasant day to each and everyone. Today is a very special day for all of us. We are here to celebrate our moving up ceremony. We feel so proud and happy we have finished our kindergarten journey. It was a fun and exciting year, filled with learning, laughter, and unforgettable memories. First, we would like to thank our dear parents. Thank you, Mommy, Daddy, and our families for your love, care, and endless support. Thank you for waking us up early, preparing our food, and helping us with our schoolwork. Thank you for always cheering us on and believing in us. We love you very much. To our dearest teacher, Ma'am Rachel, thank you so much for your patience, guidance, and love. Thank you for teaching us how to read, write, count, sing, and dance. You made learning so much fun every day. Even when we were sometimes naughty or noisy, you still took care of us. We will always remember all the lessons you taught us and the happy moments we shared with our classmates and friends. Thank you for playing, learning, and laughing with me. We will always remember the fun activities, the song, and the games we enjoyed together. I am so glad I made new friends in kindergarten. Today, as we move up to grade 1, we are excited and ready for the new adventures waiting for us. There will be more challenges, but we will do our best to learn and grow. Once again, thank you to everyone who made this journey special, our parents, teachers, and school. We will treasure these memories forever. Congratulations, kindergarten class of school year 2025-2026.